Forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Hi guys! So I am Rance Baculio and this is
Cindy Izar.
So she's my cousin and she's from States, and you know it's her vacation leave for she is an accountant there in New York, and it's a rare opportunity to be vlogging with her rather, because he's going back to the States in just maybe 3 weeks, right? And you know, if you are just new to my channel, kindly please guys, please for my other I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to buy, right? But please subscribe if you're just new to this channel and click the massive thumbs up if you like this video. For today's video is the Toron and how it tastes. You know, it's so weird. But you know, I will going to teach her a Toron. It's my first time to make a Toron, so please pray for me, guys.
So, as what my cousin said, for today's video, we will be cooking turon or banana in a wrapper.
Yes. So yes, we went to the market earlier and we buy some stuff or the ingredients to be, you know, how to cook the lumpia, and these are the ingredients. It is just little ingredients, guys, and it is yes, it is so affordable. She even have like, what is it ingredients, like I don't know. In state it oh my god, you know, in state it would be more expensive, and you know, she cannot buy there in States because there is no banana there in States. The banana there in States is a long banana. You know, so much for that. Here are the ingredients.
So first, lumpia wrapper. Second, the banana.
Of course, without banana it would not be made. And you must have to buy sugar for its sugar would be the one to make it delicious. And lastly, the oil. You must have to buy the oil to cook the turon. Yeah. So now it is the exciting part. I would going to teach her again the you know, how to wrap the banana, because accidentally my camera didn't know how. The camera just stopped and I don't know why. So maybe maybe you're wondering, please don't. Maybe you're wondering there's sugar because we repeat it. We open the wrapper because there's no banana anymore, and this is just the left, you know, again.
Like that.
Like this, you would going to have 3 bananas. 3. Then
You will eat the. You will eat the.
Fold. Roll the another side, the both side. Then roll again, then leave a space for the final. Now this is the finished product. If you wish to fold this side,
Fold that.
you fold that. It would be more easier if you fold this. So it's her turn now, and
Can as
yes, as what you can see, it's, my god, it's her. We are, you know, Filipinos are rich with these delicacies. Like, we have putos, bibingka, maha, and so much more. Oh, that's good. She seems to be a fast learner. And yes, that's it. Very good. Very, very good. She seems to be
Dalagang Pilipina.
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. So first, you would be you would be this. You would be you would prepare the fire and put the oil. If you are buying this kind of oil, you would be doing like this until yes, like that. It's just so hot. Just so hot. To make it more what I'm saying. Just add another oil. So if you're wondering where's my cousin, she's preparing. Just wait for the oil to be hot and it will be the time to cook. So I don't used to cook and I don't used to cook, but since she's here and vlogging is live, so love and lang, that's what they said. Love and lang. So wait until it will be boiled and it will be hot. It's okay. It's okay because it's not hot. My cousin is holding the camera.
Yeah.
Yes, she's there. That's what you just heard. She's holding the camera because the camera is hot.
It's not good.
God, it seems to be not too hot. The oven is not too hot yet, but a couple of minutes it will be hot. So just watch the video. I think that the oil is now, ready to cook. I'm so scared. This is my first time. And please bear with me. Please bear with the lighting because it's evening now. And I was going to put this light on. Yes, there it is. Maybe you're wondering why we are cousins. Because our mom are both sisters. There. So I just wait until it will be golden brown and there it will be finished. It will be cooked. Just wait for it to be golden brown. I am holding the camera right now and my cousin is making that for her to be more knowledgeable of cooking. So, Toron. Yes. You must have to be focused in cooking it because it would be, what's the English word for mapagod? Mapagod siya, mapagod. And if mapagod siya, then it would not be more delicious. So, cousin, please go on. Okay. It's like a chicken joy. Oh, I'm so scared. Yes. become golden brown, then it would finish, and then it would be cooked. Then you would eat that. Simple as that, right? That's that. Then it would be the finished product. So after minutes of preparation and cooking, we have come to this point that we have the finished product,
Yeah.
and this is the finished product. You know, this is the finished product, and yes. So we were going to taste it, and I was going to ask some questions to her related to this, if this would be delicious like that. So I will go into taste it first for not, if you wish to have a diabetes, if you want to have a diabetes, then it would be more delicious if you will dip it into a sugar. Yes, it would be more delicious, but diabetes is more delicious too.
Happy?
Yes, I'm very happy. We're going to taste it. Yes, it's, my God, it's so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's delicious.
It's so delicious, man. I cannot.
That's delicious. Because me myself, I like to go to it is delicious because, you know, it is my first time cooking, and I don't even know how to cook this, but you know, I have tried my best. She wished to bring this where the States. She wished to bring here in the States, but sadly there is no banana there. Mom song. She have a talent.
Dude.
She have a very good voice. You want sample? Please.
Do it.
No, I will have my own. I will have my own. But can you sing to my subscribers? No.
What kind of a song?
Any kind of song you wish. Just wait. So. Wait, I will sing.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh, me, baby, I'm crying. Boy, I hear my dreams. Yeah, you.
I will sing.
No.
You want?
No.
You want?
No.
You want? You want? So I will sing. Please excuse my voice, please. I have a cough, and you know, having a cough, I wouldn't be able to sing.
Go.
So. Why do you build me up? Oh. Buttercup baby, just let me down.
Yeah.
Wraps me around me on words of all. Never come baby when you say you will. Then I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I hide from the start. So build me up, oh, buttercup.
Don't break my heart.
No.
So delicious, man.
Delicious, my God, I'm so proud of myself. So, hope that you like this video, and please
Do.
do like and subscribe, because you know it is my my work, vlogging is my work, and happiness is my giveaways to all of you. Hope to see you in my next video, and hope you like this video. This is Rance Baculio, and I am with my